guys, Jules Kane here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to go through Will You Be Ready by Commissioned. This song is in the key of D flat. Okay, let's start off with the intro. Okay, you're starting off on a B flat minor to an E flat diminished over A, or I also like to think of it as a F sharp minor over A. It's a little bit easier. Then you can add the 6. So then you're going to go to D flat over A flat to F minor 7 to B flat minor 7 to E flat minor 7 to an A flat sus 4, 9 sus 4, which is that F sharp over A flat. Then on the recording, I believe it's Michael Brooks, he's playing a. Then we go to D flat. Then we play this inner 6 movement. Okay. Then we're going to do a quick 2-5, which is an E flat minor to A flat, and then the verses start on the 1, which is D flat. Okay, so for the verses, can't you see the time, the signs of the times? Don't you know that the time is short? And soon the Lord, He will return. Will you be punished or get your reward? There'll be no more time to get it right. When the Lord, when He cracks the sky, so just keep your hand within His hand and be ready when Jesus comes. Okay, so let's break down the verse. So after you go through the intro, okay, so can't you see? So D flat, the times, the signs of the times. So you're playing this A flat chord of the, it's an F sharp, times, it's going to be F7 sharp 5, A diminished to D flat. Then don't you know, D flat 9 to F sharp. So there you're going to go an A flat to D flat to A flat while holding F sharp on your left hand. So don't you know, A flat, D flat, A flat while holding that F sharp. Okay, that the time is short. F minor to B flat minor 7. E flat minor, F sharp over D flat, A flat over C, and soon the Lord will return. So okay. So F7, F over A, B flat minor 7, A flat over C, D flat, A flat over C again, and then E flat 9 sus4, which is that D flat on top of E flat. You're going to go to a nice E flat 13, which is playing a C minor chord on top of E flat 7. See? Get your reward. And that's an A flat 9 sus4. There'll be no more hard time. Okay, so we went here to A flat 9 sus4, which is that F sharp over A flat. We walked up to an F sharp over B flat, to an A flat over C. There'll be no more hard time. D flat. E flat minor 7 to get it right. Okay, should be familiar chords. When he cracks the sky. So when he cracks the sky. B flat minor, E flat 9 13. So that's going to be basically like an E flat over G, but I like to add this F, which is the 2 of E flat, makes it a little dissonant, and you can also add this D flat minor. Now we go to A flat minor 7 to D flat 7. So just put your hand in his hand. Okay, A diminished, B flat minor. Now we go to this from the intro, remember that? And be ready when Jesus comes. Okay, I'm gonna turn around. Will you be ready? So now F sharp. We're going to go to this sharp 5. When Jesus comes, will you be ready? When Jesus comes. Okay, so let me play it from the beginning so you can see it in context. the end, when commissioned comes in, because my keep statement was singing this first part, so when the commission comes in, will you be ready? Jesus comes. Will you be ready when Jesus? Will you be ready? When Jesus comes, will you be ready? So it's F sharp, major 9, to F minor 7, to B flat minor. And then we go major to our third dominant. Will you, A flat over C, B flat over D, ready when Jesus. And G, 7 flat 5, restarts it, and then we go back to, will you be ready when Jesus comes? You'll be ready when Jesus comes. Okay, and that was Will You Be Ready by Commissioned. Hey, if there's a song that you guys would like to see me put up a tutorial on, please send in a donation. It helps me spend the time to do this and put up quality tutorials. So thank you guys so much for the ones that have, and thank you guys for all the likes, comments, and subscriptions. And until next time, take care, guys.